Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating for the week of November 2nd through the 8th. And I'm going to try to do this pretty quickly just because I have filmed like 3 other videos prior to this. And I want to be able to finish this spread pretty quickly. So I pulled from the 2019 fall sticker book and the 2021. I'm going to be probably having like a lot of fall related spreads in November, just because this is like the last month before you start doing winter ones. But you can do it, you can do spreads whenever you want to, but if you're, trying to be festive and stuff and seasonal. So I'm going to do a lot of fall spreads this month, I think. And I also went ahead and pulled all my stickers that I'm going to be using, and I put it on here. So let's get to it. See how quickly we can get this done. That's a large sticker, so it's gonna take up a whole lot of space on here, but that'll be okay. Going to a baby shower on Sunday, so I can go ahead and put that down. Taking Christmas pictures with my family on Saturday. This is Michaela from Gold Mine & Cocoa. If you like anything on their website, I am a Gold Mine & Cocoa ambassador, so you can use the code Brittany10 to save 10% off at checkout. Gonna put a to buy sticker on here. Alright guys, so here is the final look of my spread. Yeah, it's very similar to my September 21st to 27th spread because it's the same sticker books and everything. It's very similar. Another cool fall spread. I'm gonna try to get out of the traditional color scheme of fall and probably do something different next week, but probably still keep the fall vibe. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.